and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Niki. So today we're going to be making a vegan based shepherd's pie, cottage pie. They're the same thing, it's just the difference is that a shepherd's pie is made with lamb and the cottage pie is made with beef. But we are using none of that, and I'm making a vegan based cottage shepherd's pie. And the dishes I'm going to be using, it's plant-based and they are completely compostable. That's the lid. So I just place it in here and pop it in the freezer, and whenever my husband wants, he can just take one out and put it in the oven. These are found at a company that sells paper cups, plastic cups, that type of stuff. So I don't know if you have in your area or in where you are these lovely one-use things. So please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, and let's get started on the ingredients. Potatoes, nutmeg, and vegetable cream for the mashed potato. Then for the mixture underneath we have peas, onions, 1 large or 2 small, mushrooms, tomatoes, carrots, couscous, garlic, thyme, allspice, sweet paprika, and salt and black pepper. So we start off by adding in some olive oil, then add the chopped onions. To that we add the spices, garlic, give that a mix, and then we add in the chopped carrots, peeled and chopped of course. And then to that we add in the cleaned and chopped mushrooms. Give that a mix, and then we add in the frozen peas. And then the chopped tomatoes. And give that a mix. Add in your salt and ground black pepper. Give it a mix. And then I added in 1 cup water. And I left it to cook for about 20 minutes. So while that is cooking, I added in the peeled and chopped potatoes, and I forgot to record the couscous, so I added in the couscous at this point. Now once the potatoes are soft, I drained them, added them back to the pot, poured in the veggie cream, added the nutmeg, salt, and ground black pepper, and mash away. Mash until everything is incorporated. Now we start plating the dishes. I put about 3/4 of the way the pea mixture, and then on top I added the mashed potato, and just as a design I took a fork and did some swirls. You could do whatever you prefer, and covered them. Now please let them
cool down well before placing them into the freezer. I managed to make about 4 of these dishes. If you just want to make one whole dish, you are more than welcome to, and bake it in the oven and serve it up. If you are not fasting, you are more than welcome to put butter or margarine.
And that was the cottage pie, or shepherd's pie, however you want to call it. On a note, take it out of the freezer, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, take the lid off, pop it in the oven and bake it for about 20 minutes or until you see the mashed potato golden brown on top, and it is done. I'm going to get back to doing the dirty dishes behind me. And also a tip, while the food is busy cooking, I'm cleaning up the other dishes, you know, the knife, the chopping board, that type of stuff, just so that I don't have more washing up to do afterwards, as it tends to pile up in the sink. Also, the couscous, if you don't like couscous, by all means you do not have to add it. I just add it in as an extra protein and just a little bit something extra. And also my husband loves couscous, so that's why I added that in. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. Be kind to one another and help someone in need. Thank you, and I hope you have an awesome day or an awesome evening. Bye!